got that G, got my nullos. I'm just saying. We pull up to the scene, they be filled with jealousy. If a bitch get
stop
finicky, she gon' bring the energy. I hit a phone with a
3, 2, 1, action.
Dear light.
So hello everyone, it's Savidi and I'm back for another video and I hope you guys are having a good time. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. You guys know, how are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments below, honey. So in today's video I'll show you guys how to finally do your option trading calls, okay? And I'm excited because I'll be showing you guys live demonstration of how to actually make an option trade in calls, okay? So we all know that option trading has both puts and calls, right? So today let's get into calls. I'll be showing you guys a live demonstration of how to do option trading covered calls, okay? In order to do covered calls, you have to have up to 100 shares of that company, also known as underlying securities of a company, okay, in order to carry out an option trading covered call, okay? So
we're gonna get into some technicalities here, because you know they always got to come with the receipt.
Let's go to WEBULL. I'll be using WEBULL. Okay, WEBULL. So I'll be using, there is a stock I have called TTOO. I have over 7,000 shares of this company and it has depreciated a lot because of whatever is going on in the world. So I would, remember, call up and put down the phone, okay? Pick up a call and put down the phone. So let's go to TTO. Now at TTO I have over 7,837 shares of this stock, so I can do up to 70 contracts or 78. So I'll go to quotes. That's where you will find it. So go to TTO, go to quotes, go to options. You see, that's where you find the options. Now for TTO they have a strike price of $2.05. What I'm saying is that I don't think this stock will get to $2.05, but if it does, then I am willing to, remember, call. So if it gets to a strike price of $2.05, then I am willing to sell my stock. But if someone is buying, they would have to pay me a premium if they want my stock at $2.05, okay? And $2.50. So I would click on, we have single option at the bottom part. There are calls, there are puts, and there are both, okay? Always go for call if you're going for call, and always go for puts if you're going for puts. So I am going for call in order to show you guys. So I'm taking single option. There are other options, but I would recommend don't take covered stock, go for single option, because they would automatically put it as a covered stock for you, okay? And I have picked $2.50. There are different options, but I'm picking this that if it gets to that point I'm willing to sell, and a buyer is telling me that, oh, they believe this stock will get to that point, so they are willing to buy this stock at that price. So my limit price shows me that for 5 cents for each of these share, okay? So that's how we get $5, because times 100, remember it's for 100 shares. I would go to, see there, they said single option at the corner there, single option. I want to sell, so I'll click on, under the long call you see that options you saw before, cover stocks, straddle. These are different other options, but for a beginner let's go with sell. So I'll change that. When you tap on it, it changes to sell. So I'm saying my strike price is $2.05. So I can now pick what day. So they said maximum profit 0. I don't want that. I'll keep changing the date until I see a profit there, okay? That I don't mind holding. So they said January 23rd 2023. Okay, so now we've seen a profit. That tells me that the maximum profit would be $5 or for every 100 shares, okay, that I have that I'm willing to sell. So I'll get a premium. You see there, that $5 represents 100 shares. Now I can change this. You see the buy, the bid, and the ask. I can change this to whatever I want. I can change this to 20, and if it goes through, then that's fine. So the more I change it, the more my premium, which is also known as the advance, changes, okay. Then I'm clicking on 70 contracts. That's times, so I'm willing to sell 7,000 shares of this stock at that price of $2.50. But I bought it personally at $1.30 something. So either way, I don't mind. But after that, any more profit, I would not be able to get those profits because I have sold out, and the person who buys it will pay for it. Okay, so day options does not work on the weekend. It works from 9:30 to 4 p.m. on a weekday, okay, from Mondays to Fridays. So this would not go through. When I click on it, it will tell me that you are agreeing to sell, you see, 70 contracts in times 100 shares at this price on or before. Every contract has an expiration date, okay. Now if it goes through, then you know they'll deduct this money and give me the rest. But if it doesn't go through by then, if it expires, then I can keep the $1,750. That's why it's called a covered call, okay. And in order for me to let this go through, I'll say goods till open till cancelled for 60 days, then I'll say confirm. So now how do I know this is working? It shows me working. Another way to also, you can also modify it or cancel it if you change your mind. But another way to also see if this is working is you go to your orders and you see it's already there and waiting. So if you're a busy person, you can do this and then go about your day, and if it goes through, then you're fine with it. If it doesn't, oh well, you'll keep waiting. Now when it goes through and it has accepted and it has been filled, this is how it shows up, like this: SOS, covered stock, SOS, and SOS. That is how it would appear on your portfolio and assets. And another way to see it is to go to my options, scroll, and you'll see it. You see how SOS 1.5, that's how it would appear. It will not appear as one of your positions, okay. So that's how you can make that buying or trading of a covered call. Straight to the point. When it comes to a naked, the difference between a naked and a covered, okay. So I hope this helps someone out there that have been trying to, you know, how do I go about it on WEBULL. This is just straightforward, okay. I can't wait to see you guys soon in the next video. I'm from Saudi and Downside Studios. I hope someone now can do this for themselves, okay. Woo. Okay, so I hope this helps someone out there that have been trying to do it themselves on how to make these orders on this page. And until the next video, bye guys.
This ain't no allegedly.
Cause I'm loving myself real good.
Did you guys hear that? I'm scared.
In a way that you never could.